How to print from a Windows computer to an HP printer using Wi-Fi Direct. Wi-Fi Direct allows you to wirelessly print from your Windows computer to an HP printer without using an internet connection. With your printer powered on and in a ready state, locate the Wi-Fi Direct name and password for your printer. If your printer has a touch display, touch the Wi-Fi Direct icon or open the Wi-Fi Direct settings menu. The Wi-Fi Direct name and password for your printer are displayed. If your printer does not have a touch display, print a report that contains its Wi-Fi Direct information directly from the printer. How to do this varies depending on your printer model. Most HP printers print this report if you either press the Information button, press and hold the Wi-Fi Direct button for 3 seconds, press the Wireless and Information buttons at the same time, or press and hold the Resume/Cancel or Resume button for 2 to 10 seconds. Review the printout to find your Wi-Fi Direct name and password. If the printout indicates that Wi-Fi Direct is not turned on, follow the instructions to enable it. In Windows, open the item you want to print. If you are printing web content, such as an email or cloud-based content, open the item before attempting to connect to the printer. Click the wireless icon in the bottom right of the taskbar. Select Manage Wi-Fi Connections. Select your Wi-Fi Direct printer name from the list of available networks, and then press Connect. Enter the printer password and select Next. Return to your document, select File, and then select Print to print your document. Find more helpful videos on our HP Support YouTube channel.